Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to set up your Facebook pixel code on your Shopify website. Right now, as you can see, we are into Facebook and we have been switched to page and we have clicked on the page name. So we are into profile page and we have clicked on Meta Business Suite, right? So this is basically a Meta Business Suite. You just need to go to the all tools and then events manager, right? There we will simply create a metapixel code and we will integrate that code to our Shopify website, right? For creating retargeting ads, retargeting sales ad campaign, right, on Facebook. So we are into events manager. You just need to click on connect data, then select the web and click on next. Okay, here you can simply rename the pixel, whatever the name you want for your pixel code, you can simply mention it over here, right? So we have simply written trend wali metapixel, right? And here you can select the category if your pixel belongs to any particular specific category. So no need to select any category as of now, right? Our website doesn't belongs to it. So we will simply click on next. Okay. So it is asking, do you want to connect this pixel to this ad account? Yeah, this is the ad account which I have already created in my Meta Business Suite, right? In this particular portfolio. If you don't know how to create a business ad account, I have already taught in my playlist. You can simply view that dedicated video on how to create a business ad account. It would take fraction of second, else you can simply click on see other ways to set up, right? Okay, so let me click on it. Okay, so here it is giving me some option like setup manually or setup with partner integration, right? You can opt for setup with partner integration. Okay, so both the things are getting installed, right? We just need to click on setup with partner integration. Okay, so we have simply selected it. No coding is required in most cases, right? So you just need to select it and click on next. Make sure to log in your Shopify admin dashboard in the same browser in a new tab, right, before doing these kind of activities, so that it automatically redirects you to the right place. So we have selected the Shopify, clicked on next. Okay, go to Shopify. It would automatically redirect you to the admin dashboard settings, right, where we just need to install any app or whatever the settings we need to do. Okay, we have simply selected the store and as you can see we need to click on install to install this Facebook and Instagram app on our Shopify store. Okay, we have done it. It is very quick and fast process, believe me, right? You need not to do anything. Okay, here it is asking you to connect the account. Okay, let us connect the account of our Facebook. So I have already logged in my Facebook in another tab. So we will simply select it and click on confirm account, click on allow, right? We need to share the business asset access to Shopify. Okay, from Shopify to Facebook, we need to simply select the business portfolio, and here it is asking whether you want to give conservative access, enhanced access, or maximum access for good data transfer, right? So that you can get good conversion. So I am just willing to share the maximum access, right, to Facebook. So I will simply select the maximum. Okay, for higher conversion, and we will simply click on save, right? So it will give all the data of our Shopify store to the Facebook, right? All the required data. So we have clicked on save, and here we can simply connect the pixel. So we have simply clicked on connect, right? And then we will simply check in this. I agree to the product catalog terms and all, and click on submit for review. It is super easy. So in this manner you can simply set up your metapixel code on your Shopify store after creating that metapixel code in the Facebook events manager. It would take fraction of minutes, several minutes, and your channel would be ready, right? So let's wait for it. Sir, why do we create metapixel code and set up on our Shopify store? Just to run retargeting ads and sales ad campaign also require metapixel code to be placed in the right place, right in the header section of your website. It automatically adds the code, that is Facebook pixel code or metapixel code, you can call it anything, right? Okay, so we are active now. We can simply create a campaign. It is saying okay, done. You can also connect your product catalog, right? Let's go back to the events manager, click on next, and here you can simply enter the domain name with www, right, to send a test traffic and check whether the metapixel code has been set up correctly or not. Okay, just click on send test traffic. Okay, we are onto our website, right? We just need to open any page. Okay, let's go back to the events manager. Okay, our code is active. Click on next. So we have successfully completed the process and we have successfully set up the metapixel code on our Shopify website. In the next video, we are going to learn how to set up the events in your Facebook events manager from your Shopify website, right? So let's simply click on finish. We will cover this topic in the next video, right? Here you can simply refresh it. Okay, now as you can see our pixel code is getting displayed, right? We can go to data sets, right? Okay, Shopify is connected. So in this manner you can simply connect your Facebook pixel code with your Shopify website. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.